Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Colonsac 360 channel. Today, we're going to talk about a new Steam hardware. Now, technically, this was a um, console that was released before, but it was a different iteration of Steam machines. So this would be like a reintroduction of Steam machines. So how this was revealed, it was um this is the Steam front page. Okay? You scroll down, it's basically where you buy your Steam games. Okay? So in here, this is where they talk about Steam. Okay? So we're gonna do like a reaction to the Steam reveal. There's a video because technically I can click this little video announcement video, but it's a little slower. So we're gonna go ahead and use YouTube on this one because they are better at this than the Steam. Hold on here. The Steam page. Okay. Okay. So let's press play.
Hey everyone, this is Steam Deck. Steam Deck is our powerful, portable, handheld gaming PC that lets you take your Steam library with you anywhere. We're pretty proud of it. People who own Steam Decks have been playing everywhere, and we couldn't be happier with the response we've heard from all of you. We're excited to talk about the future of Steam Deck, but not today, because this isn't a video about the future of Steam Deck. This is a video about the future of Steam hardware. Today, we're announcing 3 new members of the Steam hardware lineup. All connect you with powerful PC gaming. All are optimized for gaming with Steam, and all are shipping in early 2026. Let's start with this one.
Oh, come on, dude.
This is the new Steam controller. The new Steam controller puts all of your Steam games at your fingertips, so you can play wherever and however you want. Just like with Steam Deck, we want you to be able to play any game with your Steam controller, even games never built with a controller in mind. It has all the great features from Steam Deck, like trackpads, gyro, and back buttons, all in a comfortable form factor. Its next-generation magnetic thumbsticks let you play with improved responsiveness and longevity. We've put capacitive touch sensors on the thumbsticks and now on the back of the controller too, so you can enable precision gyro aiming with the touch of your thumb, or your pinky if you're feeling fancy. Play for way too long with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that allows for over 35 hours of playtime. With Steam Controller, we want to make charging and wireless pairing something that's actually easy. That's why we created the Puck. The Puck is a combination wireless adapter and magnetic charger included with every Steam controller. Snap it on to charge. Once you're charged up, snap it off again. You can play over Bluetooth or a wired connection too. The new Steam controller works with any device running Steam or Steam Link, whether it's a PC, Mac, handheld, smartphone, Steam Deck, or the new Steam Machine. Oh, this is the new Steam Machine.
And here it is.
Steam Machine is a powerful gaming PC in a small but mighty package, designed for your games on the big screen. It's quiet too, which is crazy since it's 6 times more powerful than a Steam Deck, powered by a discrete, semi-custom AMD GPU, enabling 4K gaming at 60 frames per second with FSR. Steam Machine runs on SteamOS made for a bigger screen, built for gaming in your living room, your office, or wherever you play, with the rest of your PC accessories. Steam Machine borrows some great features from Steam Deck, like lightning-fast sleep and wake, an SD card slot to easily expand your storage, and brings some new tricks of its own. like a customizable LED strip, which can show different system functionalities, or your own light show. Steam Machine is a PC, so run whatever software you want, and it works with all your favorite desktop and gaming accessories. Steam Machine is designed to work hand in hand with the Steam controller, with the low latency, wireless connectivity of the Steam controller puck built right in. And it's great for streaming your games to your phone, tablet, laptop, Steam Deck, or Steam Frame. Oh, yep, this is Steam Frame. Steam Frame is Valve's next generation VR hardware. Stream all your Steam games, VR and non-VR alike, in this comfortable, lightweight, wireless VR headset. Steam Frame uses camera-based tracking, so getting into your games is as easy as slipping on the headset and waking it up. Steam Frame controllers, included with the headset, are designed with all the inputs you need for your VR titles, like motion controls and capacitive tracking for all your fingers, as well as a split gamepad layout to work with your whole Steam library. They even feature the same magnetic thumbsticks as Steam controller for responsiveness and longevity. Steam Frame also pairs seamlessly with the new Steam controller, a great companion for playing non-VR games in the headset. To make sure streaming is smooth and stable no matter what, Steam Frame includes a wireless adapter that lets you stream your games from your PC to your headset over a fast and dedicated Wi-Fi 6 connection. And the game is streamed to your frame optimized for VR, using new technology that allows for the highest resolution streaming exactly where your eyes are looking. And Steam Frame is a PC, running Steam OS. In addition to streaming, you can install and play a bunch of VR and non-VR games right in the headset without a host PC. You can also expand your onboard storage to fit even more games with a micro SD card. Steam controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame. All built with the same DNA as Steam Deck, all powered by Steam, work together, and can be used however you'd like with whatever peripherals and accessories you choose. Everything you see here is the culmination of what we've learned from our previous hardware experience and what we've wanted ourselves as gamers. Powerful PC gaming in an open ecosystem, giving you more ways to enjoy the games you love and discover new ones. Steam Controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame are all shipping in early 2026. Learn more at steampowered.com/hardware.
Alright, so far, it looks pretty cool. And it reminds me a little bit of a GameCube. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in there. The Steam hardware family officially expands in early 2026. Steam controller, Steam Machine, Steam Frame. I'm not so much fussed about the frames, Steam's Frame or the Steam Deck, because Steam Deck is basically a Nintendo Switch. But the difference between a Nintendo Switch and a Steam Deck is that Steam Deck is basically a PC. Alright, so in the previous videos, I've been talking about PC in a console. This is basically a PC in a console machine. This is basically using the hold on here. Let me scroll up for a little bit here. This is basically using the don't worry about this part, okay? What I'm talking about is Steam Store, Steam recommendations, Steam games. See? So when you go shop on Steam, there is a lot of games. Okay? Some games are, let me see, $69.99, $39.99, $24.99, $39.99. So you have your account, you log in, and then you buy them. There's new releases, specials, free games, that kind of thing. Let me click specials. Okay? Some games are 35, 24, 37, 47, $4.95, $17.99, $11.99, $4.49, $5.99. So you see the trend? So Steam has a vast library of games. You can even play Escape from Tarkov, Clear Obscure Expedition 33. Let's see. Lumines, Digimon Survive, Fatal Fury. Let me scroll down a little bit. Bellatro, Game of the Year. So you see my point? So Steam has a huge library of games, okay? And that's very important for the ecosystem of any console. If you have a vast library of games, you can play the game as you wish. Now, we don't know how the Steam machine is going to work in conjunction with, because here's the thing. Hold on here. Let me scroll down for a little bit. Hold on. Steam Deck, the Steam machine is right here. See? Looks like a GameCube. Steam Deck is down there. Controller is right here. Okay? So we are made for Steam and Steam OS. So the Steam Deck has a previous version of Steam OS. So it was not 100% ready to be deployed. But that's what they have here. Okay? Steam Deck is using like a proprietary Steam OS version at the time of this release. Okay? But when Steam Machine is released, it's gonna come with Steam OS. Okay? All of our hardware is Steam first and built to work seamlessly with Steam, Steam Deck, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame all run Steam OS. But here's the thing, like I said before, Steam OS in Steam Deck is not the same Steam OS that is going to be deployed here. Because Valve is making a subconscious decision to make Steam OS deployable on PC, Steam Machine, Steam Deck, Steam Frame. So, Valve's operating system optimized for gaming. It's designed to provide a plug and play user experience while still retaining access to the power and flexibility of a PC. Ahead of launch, we're expanding our Deck Verified program to include ratings for Steam Machine. So, in other words, it's not going to be like Steam Deck verified, but I'm guessing they're going to be Steam Machine verified and Steam Frame verified, that kind of thing. And then they're probably going to be like a rating system because Steam Machine, right here, hold on here. This thing has two models. One is 512, hold on, let me see if I'm correct. Hold on here. Hold on, let me see here. Where is, dude? Let me take a look over here. Yeah. Okay, so we're here. Your game's on the big screen. And here's the interface. Well, part of the interface. So they show off Black Myth Wukong, Cyberpunk, Metal Gear Solid, Snake Eater Delta remake. They have Hollow Knight Silk Song right there, Starview, Hades 2. Okay? So they're not scared about verifying those games. Core features that define Steam Machine. Steam OS, an OS optimized for gaming with fast suspend and resume and cloud saves. Then that's just the start. Put it under your TV, set it with your desk, hide it under a banana. It's a powerful PC game. It's a powerful PC gaming packed into a mighty 6-inch 160mm cube. Cool and quiet. Steam Machine keeps cool and run whisper quiet while running the most demanding games. I/O for days. Ready for all the peripherals and monitors that you can throw at it. 1 gigabit Ethernet, display port 1.4, HDMI 2.0, 1 USB-C, and 4 USB-A ports, but like, don't actually throw things at it. They're just making an analogy, so don't throw it too much at it. That's what they're saying. CPU and GPU, 4K gaming at 60 frames per second with FSR, thanks to a discrete, custom, semi-custom AMD desktop class CPU and GPU. Storage, available in 2 storage sizes, 512 gigabyte, like I was trying to say, and 2 terabyte. Both come with expandable storage via micro SD. Connectivity 2x2 Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3 with a dedicated antenna. Steam controller's wireless adapter is built right into Steam Machine for direct pairing. Power, no giant brick. Steam Machine's power supply is built right in. Huh? That's what it is. And there's face plates right here. That is so cool. So, and there's an LED strip. That's cool. Very cool. You can put it on your desktop. And see, like I said, Steam Machine verified. So it's gonna have ratings. And it's a PC. So Steam Machine plays well wherever Steam is. Okay? Great for streaming. Okay. And then here, yeah. So USB 3A, USB 3A, micro SD, indicator LED, power button, display port, HDMI, AC power connector, Ethernet, USB 2A, USB 2A, USB-C. Alright, so tech specs with an asterisk. Okay, so these are not the complete specs. So semi-custom AMD Zen 4 6C 12 terabyte. Well, not 12, what is it called? I forgot what it's called. Triangular something. I forgot what it's called. Transistors up to 4.8 gigahertz, 30 watts TDP, semi-custom AMD RDNA 3, 28 CUs, 2.45 gigahertz max sustained clock, 110 watt TDP. Down here is 16 gigabyte GDR, DDR5, 8 gigabyte GDDR6 VRAM. So there's two different kinds of RAM here. So they talk to each other. They do different tasks. Okay? Internal power supply, AC power 110 to 140 volt. Like I said before, we already discussed that. 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD. So in other words, basically what we have in PCs. We went over all this stuff. Some say that it's basically the power of a PlayStation 5. It's basically a power for Steam Deck, like they said, 7 times as powerful as the Steam Deck. So yeah, those are your early tech specs. That'll be all for this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, talk about Call of Duty 360. I'll see you guys later. Stay awesome.